This new money-making trend has started recently, and you can be making up to $10,000 per month with it. On YouTube, all from the comfort of your own home. Everything you need to start making this much money on YouTube is a smartphone, or computer, and an internet connection. Let's begin. The first thing you need to do is go to google.com, type Google Trends, and click on the first result that pops up. This link will take you to the Google Trends website, the website we will be using to make money. Here, you can see what is trending right now in every country, or you can see what is trending worldwide right now. You can search anything you want in this box right here, and Google will tell you how popular is that topic right now. We will be typing and rotate and hitting enter, but you can choose any topic or person you like. You can see now that Andrew Tate has had an index of popularity of 100 earlier this year, and he is going up in popularity again, which is very important for this method. So, you might be wondering, how are we going to make money with this information? Before we continue, I want you to go below this video and subscribe to my channel and hit the like button so I can make more videos just like this. Now let's go over to YouTube and search Andrew Tate. You can see here that there is a lot of channels uploading short videos about Andrew Tate, and they are getting thousands or even millions of views. This requires no skills or talent, so anyone can do it, even you. If you go to one of the channels that uploads these kinds of videos, you can see that these are mostly small channels. But don't let that fool you, because they are most likely making thousands of dollars per month with this kind of content. When you go to the About section of this person's channel, you can see that they are getting millions of views just from uploading short videos. The next thing you need to do is make a YouTube channel similar to the ones you find when you search your desired topic, so that we can start uploading short videos we find. When that is done, go to one of the channels we just checked out and carefully watch popular videos uploaded by that person. Now what you need to do is, you need to pick one of the popular videos you watched. Right-click on them, and choose the option, Copy Link Address. Now that we have the link copied, we can go to the next step. Go back to Google, and type, YouTube Shorts Download. Click on the first result, and it will take you to this website. You might be wondering, why do we need this website? This website allows us to download YouTube Shorts without losing quality so that we can upload them to our YouTube channel. Right-click on this bar here, and paste the link we have copied previously, and download the video. Now, when we have downloaded the video we picked, we need to go back and to YouTube, and download more popular videos we have watched, so that we can upload all of them to our YouTube channel instantly. We are re-uploading short videos and making money off of ads that will be ran on our channel. This is a great way of making money online, and it has the potential to make us thousands of dollars without much effort. So, this is the perfect money-making method for anyone. But running ads on our channel is not the only way. We will be making money after some time, after we have uploaded a lot of videos. When some of our videos start getting a lot of views, it will start a glowing effect, and your channel will start growing in subscribers, and all of your videos will start getting a lot of views. This means we can start making money from YouTube ads, and you can soon begin to make a lot of it. However, this is not the only way we will be making money from our channel. When your channel becomes bigger, then you can make more sources of income from your channel. You can start selling clothing that matches the theme of the content you upload, or start affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways of making money online. But I will not cover this method in this video. If you are interested in me making videos about these two topics, please feel free to tell me in the comments below. That is everything for this video. I wish you luck in making money online with this method. Subscribe so you don't miss out on new opportunities of making money. And I will see you